So you've heard that they'll make a lot of money in crypto, and you've decided to join the crypto industry. I say congratulations to you. You are welcome into the league of crypto millionaires. Alright guys, so now listen up. Now I know you've been fed with a lot of things that when you join crypto you can make sudden money. I mean you can become an overnight millionaire. Of course, why that statement is true for some people that actually get lucky, but I also need you to understand that as much as you can make money in crypto, you can also lose a lot of money. I mean, you can also lose a lot of money. There are so many ways that you can lose money. Number one is that if you don't have the knowledge of crypto trading or investing, of course you're going to lose a lot of money. Of course, every trader or investor loses money, right? But the knowledge that they have actually helps them to reduce their losses. Another way you can lose money is through wallet hack. So I personally have been hacked, I mean countless times. Not once, not twice, not thrice, I think up to 4 or 5 times now, but with different approaches, different strategies by the hackers. Even though I've been able to put things into place now, of course, like I told you, we learn every day. So you are gonna get hacked if you don't follow the advice, alright, that people who have been in this industry can give you. If you don't follow it, or probably if you take it lightly, then believe me, you're gonna get hacked and you're gonna lose money. So that is another way to lose money, alright. So in this video I just want you to understand that as much as you can make a lot of money in crypto, you can also lose a lot of money. Another way you can lose money is through theft, right? I mean through scam. So there are so many evil people out there, people that will pretend to be a support, right? Probably due to the fact that they notice that you have a problem, and they're gonna reach out to you that, hey bro, or hey sis, we noticed that you're having this kind of problem. Of course, we are a support agent from this company or exchange or whatever, and they're gonna tell you that you should send them their seed phrases, right, so they can help you to rectify this. Man, believe it, it's completely. Don't ever give anybody your 12 phrases, because that is your number one security to losing all your funds. So if you give it to them, then it's just like you're giving out all the security measures, you know, that is that are guiding your wallet. You're giving it out to a hacker, and they're gonna move out all your money, man, and you're gonna leave nothing in your wallet. So understand that these are 3 common ways you can lose money in crypto. Like I told you, number one is if you don't have enough knowledge, alright, to make more profit than losses. So definitely you're going to be having the opposite, that is losing more money than making profit. And number 2 is through wallet hacks, right? So ensure that you follow all the recommendations that those who have been in this crypto industry really recommended, right? Like you can get a hardware wallet, right? You can get a hardware wallet to secure your wallet from hackers. You can also secure your wallet by not exposing your savings wallet. So you can have different wallets actually, whereby you're going to dedicate one to saving, one to connecting to website, one for airdrop, and just separate your wallet by having different wallets to holding your assets. All right. So then the next one is be careful of those scammers that call themselves support agent, right? So once you are able to follow all these, then believe me, you're on your way to making more profit than losses in crypto. So like I told you, cryptocurrency is a very risky business, so ensure that you have the right mentorship. You ensure that you follow those who have been in this industry for a while and actually know what they're doing. Alright, so this will be the end of this video, so don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and make sure you turn on the notification bell, alright, so you can get a lot of new videos like this. So I remain myself, Mike Akirele, aka Awesome Eye. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.